Hello! MS Excel practical demonstration. This practical demonstration is now going to show you all that you have seen in the theory section. Theory is for knowing and practical is for doing. Okay, now tell me, what do you see? You can see a cell, the active cell, the first cell, and you see here the cell name is also appearing. Cell names are given with the help of column name, then the row number. And I can now tell you that I was using the mouse to click here and there. Okay, I'm clicking the mouse here and there. And if I click on the first cell, then I can use the right arrow to go to the right one by one. I can come down with the help of down arrow or with the help of enter, and I can go to the right with the help of tab also. And if I say home, it will come to the first column, and if I say control home, it will come to the first row and first column, that is A1. Okay, now after doing this, I can tell you that it is possible to change the size of a full column. For that, you have to click here. See how the mouse has changed? This will change the size of a column, and you can change the size of a row also. You see the mouse has changed. Mouse was like this and the pointer has become like this. So there are 3 pointers that you can see, plus when it is inside here, when it comes to the border, and when it's coming to the size changing, then it has become like this. So I have changed the size of the row and the column both. And if I click on this entire, I can either press Ctrl A or I can click on this small triangle on the left top. Then if I change size of any one of them, do you know, the entire worksheet's size will change. Notice and notice again. See, the full worksheets, all the cells became of uniform size. So if you want to change the size of the entire worksheet, all the cells together, then you can select the whole worksheet by selecting on the either Ctrl A or left corner. Okay. Now the next thing is types of data. Types of data means what can you type? You can type whatever you want. You can type alphabets, that will make it a text entry. You can write red, blue, green, yellow, right? You can type numbers if you want, like this and like this. Okay, you can type formula also. For example, you can write 50 into 2. This is showing 100. It is not showing 50 into 2, but 50 into 2 is getting shown in the formula bar. That means it is written a formula equal to has to be present in front, and when I click on the cell, you see it has come back because both of them are the same thing. So whenever I'll click out, it will show the result. Okay, I can delete it. Okay, I press the delete key and it got deleted. And in this way, I can type formula, I can type numbers, I can type text. I can also do something called undo and redo. Remember, this undo and redo thing was a real scary thing. If I type some other numbers in some other cells, then in that case, I think I can write like this. After writing all these, if I would also like to test, I can have something more here. Now after it, if I click on undo, what will happen is the last action will become return. That means it will go back. Then if I press redo, then it will come back again. So this is that undo and redo. And you can go on clicking undo, it will go on going back and again and again and again and again till. And when we press redo, it will come back. That will come back, that will come back, that will come back, that will come back, and that will come back. Okay, so you can go on testing undo and redo. So undo means going back, redo is coming again. Alright, then the next thing is types of data has got some more variety. Those varieties are actually for the ones who want to learn little more. You can type a date, and if you type a date like this, suppose 5th September 2020. If you press enter, what you will see is, you will see a date. Now this is a date. Then if you enter another date, then you will see again. Can you see that what I entered and what it became are different? That means it has taken it as date. You can even enter, it is called time, 11 and 55. If I press enter, see, it became 11:55, it went to the right side. And then if I press 11:56, then, I made a mistake. It should have been 11:56. Then it will look like, and you will be surprised to see when I will show you the formula application of autofill. Just wait for that to happen. Before I go to autofill, I need to show you this something called copy and paste. I know many of you know copying. Copying means take it from here and put it there. So if I select these two cells and then if I click on copy, I can click on copy. You see there is a border moving. That means this has become an active place from where the source is ready to get copied. And if I click on paste, I can go on clicking on paste so many places again and again. You see this green circle, this line is going round and round like green ants, as if ants are marching around it. And I can go on using it in multiple places. And if I click, don't click on paste, but if I just click on enter, what will happen is it will become the final set of copying. Because after that you will see the border of green line has vanished. That means it is now not active anymore. Now if I click on paste, nothing will happen. Can you see? It is not possible. That means as long as you don't press enter or press escape, it is going to stay active. Now all these I have copied, right? The next thing I will show you is how to insert a new row. If you want to insert a new row in between these, between red and blue and yellow and green, you can right click here and you can click on insert. You will see a new line, new entire row has come in. And if you want to insert a new column, then you can right click and you can press insert. You see a full column has come in, right? So this all inserting row and column is simple. You just go to the heading and right click and choose insert. You can delete also. If you right click on the heading and if you click on delete, then it will bring it back. You could have pressed an undo and redo also. If you press undo, then it will come back again. This undo and redo is very funny. Okay, now the next is cut and paste. Copy and paste you saw, so many were copied and pasted. If I cut and paste, if I cut this, I have deleted that. If I cut this and if I select it and if I say cut, see, again the green border line has come here. This green border line now indicates that this matter is going to get cut. And if I go to a set of cell and if I paste it, you see it vanishes from the source. That means cut and paste takes it out from one place and puts it in another place without the source remaining. Copy keeps the source, cut removes the source. Okay, so cut, paste and copy paste are therefore not exactly same. Okay. After all this much, I am now going to remove all the extra things that I had kept here only to show you what all is possible. So now I plan to delete them. I select them and I delete them. And I select these and I delete this. And I also would like to remove this extra line by right click on the heading and press on delete. You see they have come back. So what I see? I can even remove this one because I want the data close by, right? Now you have seen red with 50 and 70, blue with 40, 60, green with 60, 40 and yellow with 70 and 50. Now if this set is converted to a rhythmic set of numbers, you know, this is 40, 50, 60, 70. All of them are numbers with a gap of 10, right? We come to autofill now. What is autofill? Autofill is a advantage given to me. Look at the sign of the mouse. Do you think it has changed? Yes, it has changed. And if I click on it and if I drag it down, you will find some other numbers automatically coming. You know, these numbers have come because this all was filled with the help of autofill. I can show you more of autofill advantages, and those are like this. If I write January, February, March, and if I want all 12 months to appear, I will select them, take the mouse to the corner, click that and click and drag. I will go on getting all the months, and after December you will find January, February, March. It will go on repeating. Okay, so this is how autofill can be used to generate a series. Why only month names? I can have Sunday, Monday, and if I click, at least 2 has to be, otherwise many a times it does not understand. I can even take it further. You see, after Saturday, Sunday, Monday will get repeated. I can even work on, you will see this. This is, remember, these are dates. So if I change the dates and make them, if I make it 25 September, and if I make this 26 September, and then if I select these two and if I click and drag, do you know after some what will come? Just see what has happened. After 39, that means after 30th September, you see 1st October has come. And if you look at the times here, if I select these two times, so 11:55 and 11:56, then you note what is going to happen. Just keep watching. 57, 58, 59. See, 60 did not come. What came is 12. Are you liking it? Are you liking it? Okay, now with all this autofill feature which has come with very much of attraction, I can also show you some little bit utility of formula. This formula is another interesting thing. So I am removing this part for now so that I can show you what formula is and how formula can be utilized. This formula's application is also very useful. And after doing all the formula, I am going to give some exercise work in my coming videos, because this is the one in which I am explaining, and the coming videos, some activities will be there where you will have to invest your brain also. Okay. So now the first formula, I have shown one formula before. So here I am going to show you one formula that is going to use this cell value, and I write plus and I click on this cell. When I click on this cell and this cell, and when I press enter, what comes is the result of, see, C2 plus D2. If I make this value different, the result will automatically change. What will happen to the result is it will modify itself according to the modified value of the source cell. Now I can even copy this in the next cell. I can press Ctrl C and I can select these and I can press enter. All these will automatically get the formula. You see, this has become sum of the previous two, not the ones that are there in the previous formula. The formula has modified itself. If I click on this, you see what will appear. See, it's a modified formula. It is adding its previous. And if I click here, it is going to show this. Okay.